Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new lesson from our course book volume 1, and the title is The Wolf and the Smart Hen. Okay, this is a nice story about wolf and a hen. Have you ever seen wolf? Yes, have you seen in your books or in movies? Yes, you might have seen. Okay, everybody is aware of hen. Okay, everyone has seen hen, cock. So let us see what is this interesting story about. Okay, before we get into the lesson, we are having a small information about this wolf. Let us see what is that. Open your course book volume 1 and turn to page number 32. The wolf and the smart hen. What is the difference between a wolf and a dog? What is the difference between a fox and a wolf? So, have you seen a dog? Yes, everybody might have seen dog. Everyone has seen dog. So, what is the difference between dog and fox? And what is the difference between fox and wolf? Yes, doesn't they look similar? Okay. Are they not having any similarities? Yes, they look a bit similar. Why is it so? Because this fox and wolf, they are the ancestors of dogs. Okay, ancestor means you can say elders. Okay, so the wolf is the ancestor of all breeds of domestic dogs. It's part of group of animals called the wild dogs. Okay, we have seen domestic dogs here around our houses, in the streets here and there roaming. So they are domestic dogs. Wild dogs are different. We can find them in the jungles. Okay, wild dogs are different. They are very dangerous even. So this wolf is the ancestor of the domestic dogs. Ancestor means nothing but elder. It is a part of group of animals called the wild dogs. So these wolves belong to the family of wild dogs. Wolves are excellent hunters and have been found to be living in more number of places in the world than any other mammal except humans. So these wolves are known for the best hunting. They can hunt the animals for their food. They are the best hunters, and we can see these wolves in all the parts of the world. Okay. Most wolves weigh about 40 kilograms, but the heaviest wolf ever recorded weighed over 80 kilograms. And here is such a story of probably such an obese wolf family. So, do you know what would be the weight of wolves? Generally, they weigh about 40 kgs. And till now, the heaviest wolf, the weight recorded among wolves was 80 kgs. So now let us get into the interesting story of the family of wolf and a smart and intelligent hen. In a small village lived a little red hen. She had a little wooden house and a small green garden. She used to work hard in her house and garden every day. Her garden had many different flowering plants. So once in a small village there lived a red hen. It has a wooden house and a small garden. It was very hard working hen, and it worked hard all the day, and it was having the hen has a garden which had number of flowering plants. A family of wolves lived a little away from her home. One day, Mama Wolf said to Papa Wolf, "My children and I are very hungry. We want a fat hen to eat." There was nothing in the pantry for the baby wolves. So, Papa Wolf went out to find something for them all. So, one day what happened? So, the family of this wolf lived nearby, okay, a little bit far away from this hen's house. So, one day what happened? Mother wolf said to father wolf that me and my children are hungry. We don't have anything at home to eat. So we would like to have a fat hen to eat. We want to eat a fat hen. So let's go out and get something for us to eat. So the wolf went out in search of food or to hunt any animal. The whole forest knew that the wolves lived and hunted in groups called a pack. A pack can range from 2 wolves to as many as 20 wolves. So the animals who and all lived in the forest, they knew that these wolves come for hunting in a pack. What is a pack? Okay, what is a pack? Pack is group of wolves. Okay, pack is nothing but group of wolves. Okay, it ranges from 2 to 20. Okay, whenever the wolves go out for hunting, they never go alone. They will be going in pairs or in more in number, like 2, 3, 4, 5. It ranges from 2 to 20. So that is called as a pack. The whole forest knew that the wolves lived and hunted in groups called a pack. A pack can range from 2 wolves to as many as 20 wolves. But surprisingly, Papa Wolf had to go alone that day as his family was extremely hungry. He couldn't wait for his pack to join. But that day what happened when this mother wolf said Father Wolf to go and hunt something, he couldn't wait for the other wolves to join him because their family was very hungry. So he decided to go alone for hunting. So, wolf pups are born deaf and blind and weigh around 0.5 kg. It takes about 8 months before they are old enough to actively join in wolf pack hunts. So, this is a general knowledge, students. We have got here the pups. Okay, who are the pups here? Child wolf. Okay, child wolves are called as pups. So, they are born deaf and blind. They can't see and they cannot listen. Okay, they are born deaf as well as blind, and it takes at least 8 months for these baby wolves to join the pack for hunting. So let us get back to the story. He ran down the road until he came to the woods. Surely I'll find something here, he said, and started searching. But he did not find anything to find in the woods. So what happened? He ran down, he was moving, he was wandering, and he reached the woods. But there was nothing to eat. He couldn't find anything. Generally, as a lone wolf, he could only hunt small animals, and to his dismay, he found none that day. So as he was going alone, he was looking for any small animal because he is going alone and he is not having the other wolves to join him. So he thought that let us hunt something, a small animal. But there was nothing that day. He couldn't find anything. He was returning home sadly. As he came near the little garden, he exclaimed, "Oh, I smell a fresh cake and a hen too." So he was returning home sadly as he did not find anything for his family. Okay, so he was returning home sadly. Then he reached the garden. Then he exclaimed, "Oh, I could smell the cake and I could guess that there might be a hen around here. I'm sure that the hen might be eating cake." He is guessing. Sure enough, the hen must be eating her cake. He thought she must be a real fat hen and would make a good meal for the family. So when he was moving across the garden there, moving over the garden, he felt that the hen might be eating a cake. So he thought of hunting this fat red hen. He was happy that he could make a good meal for their family. Papa Wolf saw the little red hen walking in the garden. He crept towards the hen and quickly grabbed her. He put her into a bag and tied it. Without giving a second thought, he ran quickly down the hill towards his home. So what happened? It leaned towards, it came forward. The wolf came forward and grabbed the hen. Poor hen was caught in the hands of this fox. Then what did the wolf did? It tied and carried this hen in the bag and he started towards his home. The little red hen, not understanding or knowing what had happened to her, got frightened. She could not only whisper for help. what happened? This little hen was very much frightened or afraid. She doesn't know what happened. Okay, she was only whispering for help. It was so dark inside that she did not even know where she was being taken to. So this little poor hen, it was very dark inside the bag. He couldn't see who has grabbed me, where am I going, where is that animal taking me. So there were a number of questions and she was very much confused, frightened and trying to come out of that. So students, let us hope you have enjoyed this story, and in the next video I'll send you the continuation of the story. Thank you students.